Many analysts and SMEs suggest eliminating the altcoin season, but they do not agree on the strategy. Important catalysts appear in the crypto space. Recently, Trump spoke about the strategic crypto reserve. This signals that the U.S. government is including cryptocurrency in the financial system. We did not see such a sign in previous cycles. This indicates that there is no longer a catastrophic fear of crypto assets. The question arises, is this a positive or negative sign for altcoins? Or rather, is this the beginning of a new altcoin season? To answer, we need to understand what an altcoin season is. Altcoin season is a phase in the crypto market when altcoins significantly outperform Bitcoin in terms of growth. Usually, this happens when Bitcoin's dominance begins to decline. Bitcoin mining is the process by which a common cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is created. This phenomenon we encountered in 2017, especially in the following quarter. During this period, the number of altcoins increased, showing a greater diversity of projects compared to the previous 3 months. The additional situation doubled in 2200 the first year. Bitcoin mining has become synonymous with the semi-professional community of altcoin miners. Bitcoin mining indicates that investors are moving assets from Bitcoin to altcoins. The mining rate speaks about the fact that miners appear in Bitcoin, and altcoins begin to lose status. The typical white cycle begins with the growth of Bitcoin and the decline of its mining. The so-called Altseason begins after the peak of Bitcoin's growth, when the price consolidates or reaches a maximum, and Bitcoin mining slows down, as it was 2200 the first year. In the story, a rhino attacks a pig with a broken paw and a Bitcoin and an altcoin. But the altcoins pay for many silences, which leads to the growth of the Bitcoin domain and the expansion of the cycle. Altseason is a period when investors quickly sell Bitcoin at a cheap rate and move the capital into altcoins. But risky cryptocurrencies cause a lot of losses. This cycle is caused by the growth of the blockchain network and the assumption that altcoins, which are often derived from Bitcoin, in turn increase its capitalization by many times. Starting from 2,230 years of the Bitcoin domain, 3 girls are trying to figure out one thing, which is not called alt-season in this period. Our opinion is that Bitcoin can dominate the market, teaching technical trends and resisting pressure at the beginning of alt-season. In living beings, there is a growth in the number of domains of the BTK protein, which leads to its specific binding to the ring of crypts. If this is true, the existing all-season wave will lead to the moment when investors begin to actively fix profits with Bitcoin. At this moment, foreign investors are showing interest in altcoins, which will cause a sharp rise in their popularity and price.